Okay, Abraham. Okay, hold on. Okay, Abraham. Isn't that weird how that laid out like that? Thanks for reposting it. I agree with you that the one on the right isn't as strong as the one on the left. The one on the left could be universal. I don't know if that M with the symbol in there also sort of looks like a Chinese character. I'm going to have to read your essay a little bit closer, but it's kind of cool. And it definitely would pop out anywhere. It would work at a small size. It would work across the room. It would work on just a simple logo somewhere, but it also would be a cool giant billboard. And then the other one, I still like the font. It looks like it was custom made, and I like that the T is an arrow. But as far as that word on the right, of course, that wouldn't work in America. So they probably should think of something that is more universal, right? Interesting examples. And I'm also curious why you were living in China. So I'd be interested to hear what you think of other people's work. Let me go to a specific person here. What do you think of this logo? Is it effective? Would it work all over the world? Is it clean? Would it work small? Would it work large? Would it work on a phone? Let me know your thoughts.